if you're here now, we're about to get started. We're gonna start off with sectioning my hair. Okay, so I have to go to work in an hour. If I get to finish my hair on time, my hair is gonna be wet when I go to work. I'm probably just gonna bun it up and then finish. We're gonna get right into this. So what I'm gonna do is take a section. Really, more than anything, I really wanna see how much hair is gonna be left out. So I'm gonna take a diagonal back section. So it's like about ½ an inch above my ear, an inch down back here. What's difficult about this is obviously that I can't see exactly where the back ends, but I'm gonna really balance it out just by the amount of hair that I'm left with in the front. I'm gonna clip this up out of the way. We're clipped and ready to go. I hope the sliding is good. Okay, just brightened it up a little bit. So I've already got my lightener here. We're gonna mix it up with about 20 volume. I have a 30 and a 10. Girl, we're making shit happen because you know what? When you work a lot and you only have like one day to do your hair, you're gonna make it happen with whatever. And this is gonna basically give me a 20. And I need a 20 because I'm gonna go fairly light, but not platinum. Also, my hair underneath this light brown color was lifted to about a level 7 or 8 previously. So I know that I don't need too much power in my lightener to get me to where I want to be. So we're gonna mix that up. That's a nice consistency. I've already pre-cut some foils. I'm gonna set this down here in case I need to mix some more. I'll also probably be using this board today. Basically, it has some teeth here in the front that you can use to hold back the teas or baby hairs that want to come through in that section. All right, so I'm also using a Famar brush because this is my go-to and in the salon, so I'm going to use it here today. And what else do I need? Usually I'd use Olaplex in my lightener. I have Olaplex at the salon, which I don't have now, but I'm planning to do a standalone Olaplex treatment afterwards. Today is just for the purpose of the video that I'm going to do the lightening like this, straight up, nice and raw. Raw, okay. Basically what I wanted to do is a money piece, but the last time I did a money piece, I got a little too close. I went all the way to the scalp. And essentially, I don't want to do that this time. This time, I want to have it to a little bit more diffused, like balayage, foliage technique, you know? That kind of thing. So what we're going to do is, this is tricky. I've never done it like this. No turning back now. There's no turning back now. So this is the piece that's going to live furthest away from the hairline. So this piece, I really want to just have it nicely feathered up, not so close. This is going to be the furthest away from the root. Want to make sure that you don't take really large sections. Want to make sure that I'm able to saturate this piece completely, thoroughly. Got that start. Okay, hello. Just going to close that piece up. Onto the next piece. Now the reason why you see me taking out a little bit of hairs there is because I really want to make sure this is nice and diffused. So you can see there's a little bit of a weave in there. Now with this, we're going to tease it back, do the same thing again. I just started this and I am having like a lot of emotions because this is a lot harder to do when you don't have the proper setup. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the back. What time is it even? Okay, half an hour. So to do this the most easiest way for me, I'm going to have to take some random fucking sections back here. Typically in salon, I wouldn't scrunch it up like this. Why do I choose? Why did I wait till I had 1 hour left before work to do this type of thing? I don't know. You can either do this Hold on a minute. You can do this or you can do this. Obviously, as you can tell, this takes more time, but it gives you a more even, consistent lift. I don't know why I decided to film this, because I look like a jackass. I literally do. And I don't know. I mean, I just feel like maybe you guys like to see me struggle for some reason. I don't know. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Like, literally, I was like, okay, you know what? Next time I'm going to have somebody do my hair because I'm sick of this. But what do? I do my own hair. I feel some type of way today. It's the end of like cappy season, and it flew by me. I can't believe the end of cappy season is already here. It's already here. We just had a new moon in Cancer, and I think we're all kind of feeling that. My last video, if you watched it, I had a wonky ass week because I was sick. I was off work. It was just weird. But here we are trying to make the best of everything and do our hair, because brighten the fuck up. Brighten up. We gotta keep moving forward, keep doing what makes our hearts happy. We have to continue. We have to keep pushing. Last piece for the front. So I got 3 on this side, got 3 on top, got 2 on the bottom here. So we're gonna follow the same thing and hop on over here. Cause you know what? I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm all rough with my hair and shit. In the salon, I would not be like this, I promise you. I'd be like all sweet, like, am I pulling you? Let me know if I'm pulling your hair. Here I'm like, Again, saturation is key for anything that you want to have even and bright lift with. I have 3 more to do here. Here I am with all my foils. Girl, I've already started taking out a few foils. This isn't as light as I'd like it to be, but because I have to go to work soon, I have to leave it here. And it's still gonna take a nice color. Also, I don't want to push my hair too much because I'm still wanting to let it grow. And if I keep pushing it and pushing and pushing, I'm going to continue to have breakage all around the perimeter of my hair, which it's not the business when you want to let it grow. Just wanted to pop back in and give you a little update on what's happening. I'm going to continue to take out the rest of these foils in a little bit because I don't have too much time. What is up with me? Like, what? I hope I didn't bleach the rest of my hair back here. Do you see any bleach spots? No? Okay. Okay, bye. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This is what my hair turned into. As you can see, we have lights down here. We have lights over here. Everything is so nicely blended. So this is what you can expect from a face frame balayage, where there's just a few, like 6 to 12 foils, and it makes all of the difference. Like, I really feel like a whole new person. I feel so much better with new hair. I need to do this for myself because Lord knows that when you're behind the chair, the last person you usually have time for is yourself, because when you are off, you just want to rest. So I'm really happy I did this. My hair feels great still nonetheless. I've done a couple treatments. And then the last thing I did to finish off this hairstyle was use a wand, the Babyliss, I really forget how to say it, but it's like about a 1-inch barrel down to like a smaller cone at the tip of it. And then once everything is cooled down, I just brush it and brush it and brush it so that the curls can kind of loose down. And I did rice water on it. If you don't know about the rice water for hair growth, then don't forget to go and check out my latest videos. Thank y'all for watching and hanging out with me for a little bit while I look like a hot mess. But here you go. This is the after. No, but really, that was fun. I needed it. Don't forget to follow me on my socials if you're interested, and if you want to see some of my personal work on other people, don't forget to follow my hair page on Instagram, and you can follow it on Facebook. All of my posts kind of transfer over. But yeah, that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.